Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, cook. They cook the food daily. Second, night. The stars are bright at night. 3. Jump. He jumps on the table. Fourth, mother. I love my mother very much. Fifth, book. This is my English notebook. Number 6, house. My house is very big. Seventh, beautiful. She is very beautiful. Eighth, white. This dog is white. Number 9, new. I have a new teddy bear. Number 10, black. This hat is black. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.